Hey, what's up? I have said many times that Amazfit GTR is not a real smartwatch. In this video I want to show you a real smartwatch. It is called Zeblaze THOR 5. If you're interested, I can make a full comparison of Amazfit GTR and Zeblaze THOR 5. Write in comments below if you want to see the video with comparison. The main feature of Zeblaze THOR 5 is dual chipset technology and dual system. Also, the smartwatch has 1.39-inch AMOLED display, 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, 8 megapixels camera, GPS, Wi-Fi and 4G LTE. As usual, let's start with unboxing and then look at design, functions, performance, camera, etc. Everything on the box says that it is Zeblaze THOR 5. There is the image of smartwatch and model name on the front side. The specifications and features are on the back. Inside the box you will find user manual in English, a screwdriver which is used to open SIM card slot, 2 spare screws, and magnetic charger. Talking about design, I want to start with dimensions. The smartwatch has a diameter of 54 mm and a thickness of 15.2 mm. The weight is about 67 grams. The strap is 256 mm in length and 24 mm in width. The watch is made of polycarbonate, while the strap is silicone. By the way, the strap is not removable. It is available only in black color, but the frame around the dial can be black or blue. As you can see, I have a full black version. Here is how Zeblaze THOR 5 looks on my wrist. I have to say that despite quite large size, the watch is comfortable to wear because it is very light. The display of smartwatch has 1.39-inch diagonal and resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. This is AMOLED panel. As you can see, the screen is clearly visible even outside. On the right side of the watch is only camera, while on the left is 2 physical buttons, power and back. On the back, there is heart rate sensor, magnetic charging connector and SIM tray. Using the screwdriver from the package, you can open the tray and insert SIM card. There are also 4 screws in the corners, but I don't know why they are here. Most likely, if something breaks, you can unscrew them and fix the watch. I want to show you the main feature of Zeblaze THOR 5. The smartwatch has 2 modes, smartwatch mode and smart wristband mode. In smartwatch mode, you can use all the functions such as phone calls, Wi-Fi, GPS, camera, apps, games, etc. However, the battery life in this mode is about 1 day. If you want to use the watch longer, then you have to switch to smart wristband mode. You will get a limited set of functions such as time, steps, calories, distance, heart rate, but the battery life will be 4 days. What do you think? Is it a useful feature? Write in comments below. Now let's talk about the functions in smartwatch mode. Zeblaze THOR 5 has many watch faces. You just need to press and hold on the main screen for about 2 seconds. There are about 10 pre-installed watch faces, but you can tap on the plus, and there will be even more watch faces. I think there are hundreds of watch faces. Swipe down from the top to see the time, date, battery level, Bluetooth and SIM connection, as well as airplane mode. Also, you can swipe to the left to find other functions, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, GPS, etc. The next swipe to the left and you will get clean memory function. The next one is music player. Zeblaze THOR 5 has 16 GB of built-in memory, so you can download music on the watch and listen to it without connection with mobile device. It's very convenient when walking or running. You don't need to carry the smartphone with you all the time. The last screen is weather. Swipe to the right from the main screen opens the last notifications. You can also swipe up to see your sport activity such as steps, calories, distance. Finally, the swipe to the left and you will get the apps menu. There is contacts, phone, messaging, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock and many others. You can see all of them on your screen. It is interesting that Zeblaze THOR 5 has 2 app stores, Google Play Store and a simple App Store. The watch has a full version of a Google Play Store, so you can install any Android apps. In the second App Store, there are only a few apps, such as Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and YouTube. Zeblaze THOR 5 is an Android smartwatch and you can install Android apps. It has the latest operating system for smartwatches, Android 7.1.1. However, Antutu and Geekbench 4 don't run, so I cannot show you the results from these benchmarks. The watch has two chipsets, MediaTek 6739 for Android operating system and Nordic 54840 for the second energy-efficient system. Zeblaze THOR 5 also has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. In general, the performance of this watch is very well. The apps are opened very fast and they run smooth. I have also played some simple games such as Crossy Road and Temple Run. Of course, you cannot play PUBG Mobile on this watch. By the way, Zeblaze THOR 5 has built-in speaker, so you can watch videos on YouTube.
It's designed for vlogging and carrying in the pocket. Mode. Triple-click to switch front and rear camera.
Also, you can connect Bluetooth earphones to the watch and listen to music or watch videos. Zeblaze THOR 5 has 8 megapixels front-facing camera. I think it is the best camera in smartwatches. It makes really good pictures. You can see a few photos that I have took. The smartwatch has 545 mAh battery. I have already said that the battery life in smartwatch mode is 1 day, but you can use smart wristband mode to get 4 days of battery life. The charging takes about 2 hours. Zeblaze THOR 5 is a real smartwatch on Android. It has AMOLED display and SIM support, so you can make and receive calls. 4G LTE support allows you to get access to internet anywhere. At home you can use Wi-Fi. Download the music to the storage, connect Bluetooth earphones to the watch, and you are ready for running. Built-in GPS is tracking your location, so you know exactly the route and distance of your running. Using Google Play Store, you can install any apps such as Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and even games. Zeblaze THOR 5 has 8 megapixels camera, and this is the best camera I have ever seen in smartwatch. But the main feature of this watch is dual operating mode. You can use it as Android smartwatch and wristband. The battery life is much longer in wristband mode. I am impressed by Zeblaze THOR 5. This is a real smartwatch that completely replaces your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.